All right, ladies and gentlemen, I know you hear it. Take a look to your left, right off the runway here. We have Sajak. Sajak is taken to the sky in the F-15C Eagle. Look at this as he points it straight up to the sky. We're going to call him an air start because he likes to gain a little bit of altitude before he begins his demonstration here. So it doesn't take him much time to do it. Check that out. He's like reaching for the stars right now. Gonna say hi to SpaceX later. Okay. Come back down, Sajak. Seriously. All right, folks, here he is. It is Sajak, and he is from the Massachusetts Air National Guard. I think we need some F-15 jams. Here they come. Secured into the box. Like, all these flyers are incredible, of course, flying these F-15s, but like, he just comes out of the woodwork like, oh yeah, guys, it's my first airshow demonstration. Here I am, I'll perform today, no problem. I got a little something put together, and he scared all of us on stage on Friday. We were like, oh, where's it? He'll be back here in just a second. Here he is, show center in the F-15. Fighter aircraft designed by Douglas. They first flew in July of 1972 and entered service in 1976. They built about 483 of them from 79 to 85. And it's known as one of the most successful modern fighters with over 100 victories and no losses in aerial combat. At a glance, as Sajak comes back around, watch for some of the distinct design features. The cropped delta shape, the leading edge sweepback angle of 45 degrees, and check it out, he's coming in hot from the right. To see if he'll slow it down a little bit so we can actually see those design features on the F-15. But I tell you what, they also have ailerons and a simple high lift flap on the trailing edge. They're a mostly metal and composite construction, and they even have a spine-mounted air brake and retractable tricycle landing gear. Here he is, Sajak from the left. a new digital central computer, and an overload warning system, which allows the pilot to fly up to 9 Gs at all weights. We're gonna have to get some calm with him to figure out how many Gs he's pulling up there today, but he's gonna be tired when he gets back down. Either that or super amped up. I think it's probably the latter. I don't know about you. But the Eagle, again, it's such a utilized aircraft. It's even been exported to numerous countries, including Israel, Japan, and Saudi Arabia. Here he comes. He's weaving back around here for another awesome pass against Sajak in the F-15 Sea Eagle from the Massachusetts Air National Guard. Today, so check this out. The F-15, well, guess what? NASA's used them too. They've actually actively used the B model. Again, this is the C up in the sky. The B model has been used as a test bed for a variety of research experiments. So again, NASA pulls a lot of our military assets as well and can utilize them for space research and training. Also, pretty interesting facts here, right? Back in February 4th of 23, not too long ago, right? F-15s from the wing assisted the F-22 Raptors of the first fighter. I think you said I need to stop talking. That's what it was. So they shadowed the F-22 Raptors, the first fighter wing, and they were shadowing the Chinese spy balloon that had been floating southeastward over the continental U.S. for several days. And of course, it's one of those F-22s later shot down the balloon. But it's cool to think that this sort of aircraft was actually helpful in that mission. And here we have Sajak up here in the sky flying with this C model F-15.